it's important to address people. So I would like to now open the pitch deck of ECN that we have created. This pitch deck is basically is given to all the indexes. And let me also show you something which probably I don't know whether you have seen, but people have started promoting it already. It's official. You should also do it. Let's go to this is a US based index. It comes after CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. It's the #3 position market information, aggregated data of market integration. They have very beautiful user interface in terms of you compare their if their interface with the CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, their interface, these guys, their interface is super excellent. With just one page, they give all the information. They come on the third number. So we have already made our first validation. We have already made our first validation. When I say validation, is that you are now validated. People were talking about when the coin will come on CoinMarketCap. This is position number third in the same market data. And from here, we'll move to CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. We have already been validated by, and it's the company from the US, and they have been wonderful. And here you will not get multiple, because if you go to tronscan.org, you can see cheaters. They have the same ECN name, they have the same ECN logo. Like I believe everybody can find 2-3 ECN there, but people have created the smart contract. Now they cannot come here because this is validated, right? Numbers, same field, AIs, every exchangers. I can ECN here, right? And you will see only one coin here, and you can see it's the smart contract address of your coin. If you click here, you will see all the information. Okay, you will see each and all the information of ECN coin. You can convert it into your currency. Suppose you are having, like Naira, Nigerian, Naira. You click here and you can see the price of ECN in Naira. Right, you can see the growth, you can see the chart, you can see the information here. You can see all-time high, all-time low, the market cap, each and every information. You can see the price in last 24 hours. It has gone like 50% up more in 24 hours. The market cap information is being provided by us, still in the process. When we have this market cap information here, this will come to good, because right now they don't have market cap information. But you can see in Naira currency is 70% more in last 24 hours. You can see each and every details about your coin, your price change, all-time high, date of launch, your since how many days, how many percentage is out. You can see the volume in your currency. You can see on which exchanges it is going on. You can see your fiat volume. You can see your all the volumes here, and here you have all the information about your coin contract address, your block explorer, your Twitter channel, the markets. Yobit is the tier 8 exchange of China and Russia. It's a very good exchange, tier 8, not tier 9. Like tier 9 is like Huobi, Kraken, KuCoin. Tier 10 is Binance. This is like a tier 8 exchange. We have not started big on this because the documentation and everything is under the process, but 4 more pairs has already been introduced, and this is your second index. So you qualified for 2 indexes. You qualified for Nomics, which comes number 3rd in the world in terms of market data and crypto market data, and Yobit also, which is tier 8 exchanges. You can see the volume is not there because wallet is under creation and maintenance, but these 4 pairs USD, Ethereum, and Wave and Ruby is already been created. And you see that, and when people get confused, because here you see the price, here you see the cumulative price, the price on all the exchanges. Suppose tomorrow we go on with Binance Smart Chain bridge, the moment you're gonna go for the yield farming, you will see a pancake swap here also. Your market pancake swap with the pair of ECN with the currencies that is going to come with the yield farming, and this price is going to be the accumulated price for any currency. If you see the price on coin market cap, that price is the accumulated price on all the exchanges. So they collect the price from all the exchanges. Like suppose, let's say Tron is trading over, let's say 200 exchanges, 300 exchanges. They collect the database from all 300 exchanges and they make the average price, because every exchange has a different price. So you have to, if you want to see price on certain exchange, you can see on JUSTSWAP the price is this much, on Ubit it is this much, on PancakeSwap the price is this one. We have Ethereum, we are not using right now, but very soon we are going to open the Ethereum liquidity pool also, because our DApp is on ERC20 and TRC20. So congratulations, your ECN Ethereum pool is coming. Which was like, for a time being we stopped. Many people have their ECN on their ERC20 platform, on their MetaMask wallet, which you are not able to convert because it is in ERC20, and we have not given you the bridge to take your ERC20 token to TRC20 token. Just hold on for a second, joining you back, just hold on. So yes, let's go back, right? So you can see your price on each and every exchange. You will have, if we are having more exchanges coming, you will have more exchanges list here. With the Binance Smart Chain, you will have it here. You will see PancakeSwap also, trading volume, everything, right? Here you can see your opening price, your high price, your low price, your closing price, and you can see the volume we are doing. In terms of Naira, on today, it's in $1 billion. In billion Naira, the price, the trading volume, and these factors has to be shown to the people. This is where you create the FOMO. You can say 24 hours trading for just the ECN in Naira is 1.12 billion. You give people the vision, and then you can see that before going, it was 195 because Naira selected right now, and you can see in last 4 days, you can see the growth. These are the figures you cannot avoid, and you should keep in your pitch. You should, this is your product, you explain about your product, it's amazing, you see your every question answer, you see everything about your project, and also you can subscribe here and you will get the price updates automatically from the exchange. Also, let's say, let's select instead of this, let's write down INR, Indian rupee. You have your price in INR here. All the tables is now converted. You can see the price here also. You can change here currencies. Let's say if you have, like, if somebody has this, yesterday someone has shared this screenshot, he got 40,000. It's like 53 lakh rupees he has already in terms of ECN in his wallet. And probably this income is bigger than his networking income, right? You see each and everything in INR now in terms of here, price changes, everything here, your price in different exchanges, different marketplaces in terms of INR. You can see the open price, you can see the high price, you can see the low price, you can see the volume. We have done 204 million rupee of volume in last 24 hours. 204 million rupee, 128 million, 85 million, 82 million. Before it was less. But from here, you can see the sentiments of the market. It's 204 million INR in last 24 hours is your volume without use case of ECN. This will be 10 times in no time. Okay, and you can see all the information. So this is where you get your validation. You are on Nomics. You have all the informations on this platform, which represents that all the informations are official, verified, and validated. Right? You can select the any other currency you want. I mean, you can select it in TRX also. It's not only the USD. I mean, if you wish, you can say TRX, and you can convert it into TRX. It will show all the values in TRX. Everything now will be in TRX. In TRX, the volume will be too big, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, it's like 2.74 million volume in terms of TRX. So you can, this is a tool for you, which you can use. You can see 1 day, you can click on 1 week, and you can see from here to here in 1 week. That you can see this is the last 1 week chart. You see all the informations for 1 week here. So this is like for any currency, this is your product. When you want to show someone about eCoin network, ECN, you just open Nomics and show your coin. You tell them, you can see the growth. In 1 week, the growth is 103%. You can show it like this. You can do 1 month. You can see 1 month. We are right now it's minus 60%. We are still recovering in terms of 1 month, right? So I mean, these things you can keep, and this is something. If you want to show about eOracle, you must open Nomics, type ECN here. You need nothing, no other information. You have all the information here. You can see the price growth. You can see everything. You can see the markets. You can see the exchanges. You can see the volume on which exchange. You can select your own currency. The best part is that you can see the last 7 days of trading volume, all-time open, all-time high, all-time low. You can see, we opened today at $1.43, and that was the lowest for the day. This is what I was talking about, the sustainability. Let's not talk about this $1.78. Let's say we opened at 1.43 and the lowest is 1.43. This shows the sustainability. Right? So keep it. You got 2 more indexes covered, and I got your hands. You got all this information. The people start promoting Nomics, start watching Nomics, start informing others about Nomics. And excuse me. After 1 hour.
After 1 hour?
Yes. Now you are the second one who came.
Okay. And it's water.
No, everything is fine.
Yeah.
Thank you. Apologies for that. So please start promoting these things, and these things should promote in each and every group. When somebody talk negative about your project or some YouTube link, do you see what they do? They share everywhere. They're successful in their motive. I get so many messages from many people like I don't even know. They never spoke to me. They are not even my contact list, but they sometimes send me a message and they say, sir, this video is disturbing. Let's remove this video. How did they go to that video is the question, because that video has been shared with a will that it must go to each member. And you are the profit maker from the program. You should make sure, and it takes just 1 minute for you to make groups and post. Because we are in a situation right now where we have thousands of the people who are actively participating. The content that the company is promoting and the content coming from thousands of people are very different. You should strike people mindset every hour, every 2 hours. And you will be in a very big sentiments, and which is more profitable for you. So the way these other people, they try to demotivate you, they make this, you are having bigger tools to make it more profitable for everybody, right? So that is more important. However, One more thing I would like to tell you this, that support ticket team is working. If your ticket is not solved, don't panic. Don't make more tickets. Don't raise more tickets. I have told you yesterday, if you have multiple tickets, please just keep one. Close, please inform this in all the groups today. Make some write-up, and I must think all the Oracle or ESPN groups that you have in your Telegram or WhatsApp, this message should go everywhere. Make it look very highlighted so that it catches the eye. It catches like so many groups I have, and I stop sometimes, on the article because it's like very flashy or something, and I read it. So these information should go into the groups. That's more important. So its support ticket team is working on it. If we were unable to solve all the tickets by tomorrow, we will give you one more day. Don't worry about it. If you have your EPT transaction within 48 hours before the 1st of July, before the smart stake thing, that will be solved. They are doing it because they are like 5,000 tickets, out of which 5,000 tickets, 4,000 tickets are duplicate tickets. And it becomes very hard for them to filter whether they have done it or not. So they are maintaining one more record. I was talking to them today. They are maintaining the record. They are writing the name, username, and everything like manually. And next time when they go to the other ticket, they see whether this ticket is solved or not, because otherwise it will be multiple times solved. So your multiple tickets are a problem. Please make this message, promote it everywhere, that please keep one ticket. It will make this task for the support team easier, and that's all you need. You need to activate